Hello, I'm Mariocarlo, Head of Sales at Hitachi Industrial Equipment Systems Europe and taking care of Hitachi Compressed Air Solutions in EMEA. Here we are showing you the Hitachi solutions for the packaging industries. Actually, with focus to this industry, we have to say that compressed air is a vital force for the packaging industries. All machines, the movements, the regulations are managed by compressed air. Hitachi Industrial Compressors provides and ensures operations from a reliability and efficiency point of view. Actually, our Hitachi oil-free solutions is a specific design by Hitachi with a dry screw air end that ensures production in applications where the air quality is critical and demanding, as pharma production, food packaging, and so on. Actually, with our solutions, you can also connect all the data from the compressor, from the machine, to your system, having also a possibility to manage and have under control all the parameters of the compressors. Eventually, we support packaging industry on their decarbonization efforts. Our air audit energy program provides you a clear overview of the status of your compressed air system and provides easy and practical action plan to optimize your energy consumption, to improve the efficiency, and at the end also to reduce your carbon emission.